Good morning, sir. I'm Angel Maria. My topic is vertical marketing system. A vertical marketing system is one in which the main members of a distribution channel, that are producer, wholesaler, and retailer, they work together as a unified group in order to meet customer needs. In the case of conventional marketing systems, the producers, wholesalers, and retailers are separate businesses that are all trying to maximize their profits. That means when the effort of one channel member to maximize profits comes at the expense of other members, conflicts can and they can arise that reduce profits for the entire channel. And to address this problem, more and more companies are forming vertical marketing system. So, a vertical marketing system can take several forms, that are a corporate vertical marketing system, contractual vertical marketing system, and administrative vertical marketing system. So, first we discuss about corporate vertical marketing system. In this VMS, one member of the distribution channel, be it a producer, a wholesaler, or a retailer, they owns all the other members of the channel, thereby having all the elements of production and distribution channel under a single ownership. That means one member of the distribution channel owns the other members. So, although they are owned jointly, each company in the chain continues to perform a separate task. For example, Ambi is an American cosmetic company, which is a famous company. Which produce many types of products. It is a form of network marketing, and which manufactures its own product range and sell these products only through its authorized Amway stores. Here, the ownership of production and distribution is with the company itself. The next is contractual vertical marketing system. In this system, every member in the distribution channel works independently and integrate their activities on a contractual basis to earn more profits that are earned when working in isolation. And also, the most common form of contractual vertical marketing system is franchising. So here tells that in this type of system, which consists of independent firms joined together by contract for their mutual benefit. So one type of contractual vertical marketing system is a retailer cooperative, in which a group of retailers buy from a jointly owned wholesaler. And another type of contractual VMS is a franchise organization, in which a producer licenses a wholesaler to distribute its products. In this franchising, the producer authorizes the distributor to sell its products under the producer's name against some annual license fee. For example, McDonald's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, etc. are all forms of the franchise which are working on a contractual basis. So the last one is administrate vertical marketing system. In this system, there is no contract between the members of production and distribution channel, but their activities do get influenced by the size and power of any one of the member. That means one member of the channel is large and powerful enough to coordinate the activities of the other members without an ownership stake. And for example, big brands like HUL, ITC, Procter and Campbell, etc., they command a high level of cooperation from the retailers in terms of display, shelf space, pricing policies, and promotional schemes. That's all about vertical marketing system. Thank you.